Hey everyone, just checking in with you guys. I wanted to let you know that your second assignment, if you have turned it in, has been graded and returned to you with comments. So go ahead and take a look at those. I really encourage you guys not to just take a glance at the grade and that's it, but actually go into the assignment, see what I've written. I promise that it's there just to be helpful for you guys moving forward. That being said, I just wanted to give some general feedback on what I saw a lot with a lot of the assignments. So the first thing is just make sure that you're watching the instructional videos that we provide you because they give you really specific information on how we want the assignments done. And so some of you, I think, might have just sort of glanced over the assignment and maybe skimmed the video, and so there were some missing elements that were pretty clear in the video, so just make sure you're watching those. Also, if there is something that's unclear in our instructions or in the videos, never hesitate to email me, rhargis13@gmail.com. I put it in one of the announcements. You can even email me like part of your assignment and be like, hey, am I doing this right? That's totally fine. So that gives me a chance to give you feedback before you turn it in. You're welcome to do that if something feels unclear to you. So that being said, the biggest thing that I want to talk about today is places in the assignments where it requires explanation. So for this past assignment, it was the why significance column on the far right. And Christian talked about this in the instructional video for the assignment that you're going to turn in. When it comes to questions that are more open-ended, like, find this theme or why is this significant, it's not necessarily about writing the most, but if you're not going to write a lot, it needs to be very, very clear, and there needs to be nothing missing or like super important that you just didn't include. So for instance, like if you make a claim in the why significance column, like this happened because of this, then I need you to make sure to tell me why you're making that claim. So it's okay if it's not like a bunch of paragraphs all strung together as your explanation, but what you can't do is just say, this is what's going on, without explaining to us why you think that. So just as you're moving forward, I do believe in work smarter, not harder, right? So you don't have to write a novel when it's these, summary question answers, that kind of thing. But at the same time, if you're going to write something that's super short, make sure that it's hitting everything that you need it to and that you're not making any claims that aren't backed up by any explanations. So those were the main things that I saw. I think you guys did a really great job. Most people's grades improved the second time around, so you're definitely getting the hang of these assignments. And as always, if you have any questions, either about a specific assignment or just about topics in the class in general, feel free to shoot me an email and we can chat. All right, thanks guys.